congratulations sa lahat ng dealers. At is it okay po kung kumanta pa po ako ng isa pang kanta para po sa inyo ngayong gabi? Sige po, wala po kayong choice. Sige po, kakanta pa po ako para po sa inyo lahat.
I thought Sarah Geronimo was wonderful. She's always professional. She always sings live.
Umakit lang si John Lloyd towards the end of the song.
It takes a man and a woman. You have the Laida and Ige kilig factor. I think that made this night more special.
Bagay na bagay sila and I hope they do a movie.
Again!
Again, yeah.
You know what, Chin? Chikahin naman natin yung dalawa.
Ano, ako may dance number sa Chandler.
Ay, oo nga.
Next year pa. Okay.
Ang sarap ng feeling, I got to do a TV commercial po. At ako yung nag-record nung kinanta ko po kanina, yung jingle.
Di ba pinag-ghost yun?
Ha?
Ikaw ba yun?
Ay, ikaw nga nag-mentor sa akin doon eh. Maraming salamat sa mentoring mo. Magaling ka talaga, coach. Okay, let's have on stage our male star of the night, Mr. Leon Bernardino Tashi!
Dude, are you sure ikaw yun? Galing, no?
Congratulations to our male star of the night. Siyempre, awarded no less by our dear Sarah Geronimo. Tonight is all about them, but the best part really is it's a proud Filipino brand. It's something we can all be proud of. Kung may male, kailangan may female.
Para siya si Prince. Alright, our female star of the night is Miss Jenny Cambio.
Female star of the night. Happy kasi pang second year ko na. Enjoy na enjoy ako with my wings and with sa gown kong napakaganda.
Palakpakan naman natin ang male and female stars of the night.
Masaya naman kasi idol ko si John Lloyd. Tsaka si Sarah kasi dati pa, pinapanood ko pa siya dati. Magaling kumanta. So, happy talaga ako makasama sila on stage. Panalo na ako doon.
Do you have any special message to our Cherry Mobile dealers?
Well, una-una sa lahat, I have to say this. Thank you guys for doing one hell of a job. Dahil this year, #1 na naman tayo. So, palakpakan niyo po mga sarili niyo at maraming salamat sa inyo. And I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas.
Sarah, good luck and thank you for coming and gracing the event. Click na click ka sa Cherry Mobile.
Yes, sa lahat po ng bosses, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And congratulations po sa lahat ng dealers natin for another very successful year.
Happy na I got to be part of it. At syempre yung mga fellow endorsers ko nandun din, sila John Lloyd Cruz, Miss Ann Curtis, and Kim Chu, and Miss Chris Aquino nandun din. Yun, mukhang nag-enjoy naman yung mga dealers natin nung gabing yun.
Sarah Geronimo and John Lloyd Cruz!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations sa lahat ng dealers. Successful year tayo. So sana magtuloy-tuloy yan. Thank you.